In sewage treatment, we already discussed there are 4 different states are involved in sewage treatment in part 1. Here, I mainly focus on the secondary treatment of sewage water. Here it can be done by different methods. One is by the biological decomposition. That means, in the previous session also I mentioned that all the carbon components present during the biological decomposition process are converted to carbon dioxide and all the nitrogen components into nitrites and nitrates. Here this conversion can be done by the method. First one is by trickling filter, or it is also called aerobic filtration method. Trickling filter method. It involves the biological oxidation of organic matter. It involves the biological oxidation of organic matter in a large rectangular tank. See, look at this diagram. This is the method. This is the way we are doing the aerobic filtration method. And the tank contains a bed of crushed stone having a particular type of slime on the surface. That means the tank is filled with crushed rocks and broken bricks here. It is a rectangular tank. Here the material is allowed to fall on this. This tank is fitted with crushed rocks and broken bricks. Okay. Then the water is showering through the stone, and when using a sprinkler we can shower the wastewater into this crushed rocks and broken bricks. There, when the water comes in contact with this material, the organic matters are consumed by the microorganisms. That means the carbon component, if it is present in water, it can be removed as carbon dioxide, and the effluent water will be free from organic matter while it is allowed to pass through this trickling filter method or by the aerobic filtration method. So it is a rectangular shaped tank, and this filtration method, it is fitted with crushed rocks and broken bricks, and wastewater or sewage water which is allowed to pass into this chamber. Where it comes in contact with this crushed rocks and broken bricks, carbon components are converted to carbon dioxide, and it can be free the water from the carbon components present here. And this filtration can be done with the help of a special type of filters called trickling filters, because it is already attached with this crushed rocks and broken bricks. And the advantage of this method is it is highly effective in nature, and BOD can be reduced by 60 to 80%, etc. Then low maintenance cost is there, etc. But one more thing is that the equipments are costly, because trickling filter is needed. Then it is fitted with all these things, and microorganisms are there, etc. Then one more method is there. Here it is called UASB process. UASB method. So in the secondary treatment, either it can be carried out in presence of aerobic condition, it is known as aerobic filtration or trickling method, or the method can be do with the help of anaerobic microorganisms. In such cases, the method is called UASB method. That means upflow anaerobic sludge bed reactor process. Upflow anaerobic sludge bed reactor process. In this, the sewage water is fed through the bottom of the sludge bed reactor containing granules of particular size 1 to 5 millimeter. This sludge has some bacterial activity. So when the water comes in contact with these granules, the organic matters are decomposed by the bacterial activity in the absence of oxygen, producing gases like methane. Because in the absence of oxygen, this type of reaction is carried out here. So carbon compound is converted to methane, and the gases are collected at the top, which can be used for the energy production or biogas. UASB is a 3-point separator. It separates biomass, water and gas. The effluent water will be free from the organic matter. Because in UASB method, upflow means the wastewater is allowed to enter into this processor from the bottom side. Hence it is called upflow. Then the bottom of this chamber, which is fitted with sludge bed or sludge blanket. So upflow, sludge bed. These contain anaerobic bacteria. When the wastewater is filled into the chamber from the bottom part, when it comes in contact with this sludge material, this anaerobic bacteria convert carbon component into methane. It is a 3-segment sector apparatus. So we can convert the pure water, then methane, biogas material and wastewater, effluent wastewater, etc. from this chamber. So this method is called UASB. Upflow. Wastewater is allowed to flow from the bottom towards the upside. Sludge bed. Bottom part is fitted with a sludge bed or blanket. It contains anaerobic bacteria. So UASB. So to convert carbon to methane, etc. But 2 steps are there in secondary treatment process. One is trickling filter method, aerobic filtration, and second one is anaerobic method, UASB process.